Hi there, my name is Showit and this is Finance Central. Today's video is all about dealing with your student loan. Americans owe over $1.7 trillion in student loan debt, which is spread among 44.7 million borrowers. This is more than 700 million higher than the credit card debt. About 69% of college students have taken out loans and graduated with an average debt of $29,900, which includes both federal and private loans. On the other hand, parents have also taken loans to pay for their kids in college. Although defaults have been halted for the last few months, 11% of student loans were 90 days or more delinquent or in default prior to the repayment moratorium. There are a few steps you can take to deal with student loans, which can help lighten the load. Let's talk about these. Here is my mandatory reminder to click the like button for this video and subscribe to my channel to help me grow on YouTube. I hope to bring you more videos of relevant personal finance topics. Thanks to all of you who have already supported me. A loan is different from a grant or a scholarship. If you are currently looking at ways to finance your education, definitely try different avenues to score a scholarship. If you do not receive a scholarship on the day you join your program, you can still pursue a scholarship in the subsequent semesters by getting good grades. In case you need to take on a loan, there are two main types of money lenders. The US government offers federal student loans, and banks, credit unions, state loan agencies, and such other financial institutions offer private loans. Do not get confused by lenders who also service US federal loans but offer you a private loan. Federal student loans have fixed and low interest rates, with the ability to borrow without a cosigner. The repayment plans can start 6 months after you leave college or attend less than half time. There are the benefits of flexibility like income-driven repayment, where you pay as a percentage of your discretionary income, and extended repayment, where payment terms can be extended from 12 all the way to 30 years. Some professions like teaching and public service allow the forgiveness of some student loans, that is, you do not have to repay them. Now here are some tips to help you with your student loan payments. Number 1 is to sign up for auto payments. Most of the student loan servicers will automatically lower the rate by 0.25% if you were to sign up for auto payments. You can even ask your loan servicer to apply the savings toward your principal to be able to pay off your loan sooner and end up paying a smaller amount over the life of the loan. Number 2 is to consider refinancing as a way to save on student loans. If interest rates have dropped since you took out a loan, it might be worth looking at refinancing at the lower rate. There will be some costs associated with refinancing, so definitely go over the math of how much the refinancing is saving you money in the long run. Number 3 is changing your repayment plan from the standard payment plan to one of the following 6 repayment plans. Graduated. The monthly payments are lower in the beginning but increase slowly every 2 years for up to 10 years. This allows you to increase your payments as you gain an increase in experience and hopefully in salary as well. Extended. As I mentioned earlier, you can get a longer term in loan repayment using this plan. The monthly payments can then be fixed or graduated. Pay as you earn. The monthly payment is capped at a maximum of 10% of your discretionary income, as well as you can get an extension on your loan term. revised pay as you earn. The difference here from the pay as you earn is that the monthly payment equals 10% instead of being capped. Income-based repayment. Depending on when your loan was originated, the monthly payment equals 10% or 15% of your discretionary income. Income contingent repayment. This plan has the monthly payment at the lesser of either 20% of your discretionary income or what a fixed payment would be on a 12-year loan. In most cases, the loan can be extended up to 25 years and the monthly payment is calculated annually based on updated current income, family size, and other factors. Now, if the need arises for you to seek deferment or forbearance, try to put your payments but not your interest on pause. Consider convincing your lender to allow you to choose between making monthly payments that contribute to the interest exclusively, stop all payments entirely, and have the interest that builds during that period get added to the total loan balance. In the end, you have to look out for yourself and make the best decision for your situation. If you have the money to pay off your student loans, that is, you hold a job or are earning an income, make sure not to spend it frivolously. There has been talk about the federal government forgiving partial or complete student loans. Please do not get swayed from your commitment to pay off your loan by this rhetoric. If it happens in the future, you can benefit from it, but do not pin your hopes on political rhetoric and talking points. Student loans can hold you back from starting a family, buying a home, starting a business, among other things. Do not let it loom over your head if you can help it. Small sacrifices can lead to big gains in the future. If you are in the market to take on a loan, re-evaluate your decision to go to college. Make sure you research your major and the starting salaries for an entry-level job after graduation. A good rule of thumb would be not to take on a loan greater than the average take-home pay for your first year's salary after graduation. Education is important and helpful to build a secure future, but only certain fields show promise for long-term employment. In some other fields, you have to be the best at what you do to just get by. Assess your potential and commitment in such cases before you take on a large student loan. Those were my thoughts on the matter. Personally, I have 2 graduate degrees that I was lucky enough to get scholarships for, which helped me start saving for my retirement relatively early. If you have additional tips to deal with student loans, please comment below. That is all from me now. I shall see you in the next one. Goodbye and have a wonderful day.